Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, hello, hi. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi as well. Don't forget to give us a follow on Instagram, hit the subscribe button because there'll be way more videos like this. So today's video is going to be a Zara haul. Most of these are from the special prices section. I lied because in my last video I said that I was not gonna shop at Zara for a while because the delivery was really long last time, and I thought, you know what, let me just wait a bit, but I lied. What? We back. Delivery for this literally took, I'm not even joking, less than a week. I was thinking it was gonna take longer, but it was quick. So a box and also a parcel, so let's open them up and see what's inside. Don't even judge me, but I actually can't remember what I bought because I did the shopping at like 3 AM. Do you ever do that, like just have like an impulse shop at just like a random time of the night? I mean, it's probably just me, but whatever. So the first item, I remember now, these white jeans in a 36, and they are £25.99. So I got white jeans. Really risky because I don't know if you've watched my other, like my first Zara haul. I got flared white jeans and I liked them, but they just did not look nice on me. I just thought I wouldn't get flared ones, just get simple ones to see how they'll go. Like white jeans can be such a hit or miss though, so it's going to be real interesting to see how this turns out. We'll see. So white jeans, fail. I can't even get them past this point. So these will be going back. It was a nice try. It's actually not by force. Me and white jeans, they're just, we're not it. It's okay. But how gorgeous is this colour? This literally screams summer, I'm here, summer, I'm here. Like, I would have gotten like a matching skirt to go with this because that would have been so cute. I want to say Clueless, but it's not really Clueless because Clueless was more checked, but that kind of vibe without the checks. Malibu, Barbie-ish vibe. They actually had matching bottoms to go with this, but I just felt like they weren't really my style. I definitely feel like light blue jeans for a really cute skirt, but I'm definitely going to try and source a skirt that is almost like, I think I can do it. I think I'll find one that's the exact same colour. I love this blazer. It's such a nice like, neckline here. I like that it's not the typical like blazer, it's just straight. The only thing that I would say is that it's a bit snug, especially here. So I feel like I should have gotten it in size medium, not a S. So it kind of gives it that nice oversized look. So I probably will exchange this. Yeah, it will definitely be cute. Like, blue jeans and a white top. This is cream. I'll definitely say white to make it pop more. See what I mean? This white top just makes it pop a little bit more. And a white bag. Like, this outfit is cute. So yeah, you can wear it with jeans. You can even wear like really cute trainers. You could get away with a trainer look with this if you really wanted to. Or just like flip-flops. But this is, got a Zoom meeting, but off for a walk later kind of vibe, if you get what I mean. So yeah, I'm really happy with this outfit. Definitely will be rocking it. Just need to maybe get this in a medium. What do you guys think? Do you think it's an alright fit? Am I exaggerating, overthinking? Let me know. Again, this is a very summer I'm here top. It's cute. I love it. I love the neckline. It's kind of like a sweetheart neckline. It's really similar to the top I'm wearing now actually, which is also from Zara and was in my last haul. So I got this in a size S, £12.99. I love the material. It's not too thin, not too heavy, so definitely perfect for summer. Okay, next, this top is really cute. I love the colour so much. It's like a Barbie pink. Definitely wouldn't be wearing it with this bra because I hate the detail that it's doing underneath this. I mean, maybe I could probably even wear it with no bra because I am part of itty bitty community. But yeah, it's definitely like, you know, if you want to just throw on a cute top and maybe, this is like a cute beach outfit, right? But you could definitely wear it with a skirt. You can dress this up, you can wear a skirt, you can wear it Cute skirt, heels, or you can wear it with, you know, jeans. The world's your oyster. But yeah, this is very simple but effective. It's really nice fit, so I'm happy with it. I do feel like the neckline could have been a bit more like, you know, because when you don't wear it, it does look like it's going to be a sweetheart neckline, but you know, it's still cute, so maybe get away with wearing a bra with it if you really wanted to. Just choose the right one. The straps are thick enough. Next thing I get is these black sandals, flip-flops. I never know what to call them, flip-flop sliders. They are, well, they are £29.99. And I got them in a size 5. I'm 5.5, but I always just like to get 5 because these are quite slim fit. So I don't know if that contradicts actually, but anyway, I know they'll fit nicely. I felt like it's always nice to have like a nice, not a basic pair of black sandals, like a kind of a bougie pair. That's why I like the details on it, that you can kind of, if you're wearing like a kind of plain black outfit, if you just add these, it will just kind of just add that, you know, pop. So this is why I got them. So I'm really sorry my feet look a bit crusty, but these are the sandals. I actually really like them, you know. They really give off like designer type vibes. They're really cute, and I can see myself wearing this a lot, especially because they're black. They'll go with a lot of things. But yeah, they're definitely a yay from me. Wow, Daisy, okay, she likes them too. I got this white top. It's like a halter, well, it's not a top really, it's a bodysuit, and it's got a v-neck. I don't know why I was saying halter. I always get my like necklines confused. Split in S for £12.99. Thought it would be a cute staple summer piece. You can literally wear with like skirt, jeans, shorts. Yeah, world's your oyster. I like the material, stretchy, which is really good because quarantine snacks. We've become good friends basically. We've become acquainted. Yeah, tops like these are really friendly for me right now. I like it. Very like 70s vibes. So I actually wore it with like flared jeans. Yeah, it's a fit. So this is it. Definitely would have to wear heels. Definitely go with the white bag as well. Pair of sunnies and you're good to go. And it goes with the blazer as well. Next thing I got was this turtleneck basic black dress. So it's got two different materials here and here. I don't know if you can see it. So it's kind of like a shift dress. So again, it's very, you know, it's friendly to the lower area, which I approve. Got a size S. It says $19.99 on here, but again, I'm gonna put the actual price that I paid for and what it is right now, because I don't think that's right. Like this dress and this would really go. It's a really plain dress, but I thought it would just be cute. You know, when you kind of want to go somewhere, you want to look cute, but you don't want to look like you put too much effort in. Just slip on this dress and you're good, sis, you're good. Definitely passes the simple but effective criteria. Not too sure about this one. I messed up my hair in the process, but it's just a bit do you know what I mean? It's not really talking to me, I don't know. I do like about it is that it's got this here so you can actually tighten it, but there's something about this that it's not doing it for me. It kind of reminds me of like a school uniform or something. I know that like other people could probably pull this off, but I am not pulling anything right now, so yeah, nah. Oh my gosh, this dress. I love it, I love it, I love it. The colour, it's again a very summery piece. I feel like, you know, it could look a bit glamourish if you don't style it properly, but it's got a lot of potential. When I saw it online, I was just like, I need to have this dress. Just looked, it just made me feel, you know, it gives me holiday vibes. Like if I can't go on holiday, I can pretend like I can hug this dress and just feel like I'm on holiday or something for the meantime. It's got these tassels at the bottom, very sha, so yeah, I thought this would be a nice addition, a different addition to my wardrobe. Very like summery colours in there, green, yellow, white. It's a yes from me. I like it. I probably wouldn't say could wear this somewhere that's really, really hot. Maybe towards the evening when it's a little bit cooler, or just like on a normal day, because I feel like the knit will just get warm because it's got holes. Like imagine you like getting tan lines that have these like holes in it. Maybe I'm being dumb, but yeah. Love this dress. I love it. It is like the way it just sways at the bottom. It probably makes me feel free, like I should be on holiday in this dress. It is so, so cute and just so different to anything that I have right now. So this one is definitely a keeper. Yeah, it's not granny-ish, but yeah, it's nice. And like there's enough space here too, so thank you. What do you guys think? I would wear this really cute pair of sandals. Probably that cream bag. I know I'm obsessed with it and I put it with all my outfits. And you know them like mega floppy hats? Yes. One of those. And a cocktail in the other hand. Or even a basket bag would be cute, but... Oh my goodness. Okay. So I got a shift dress in this very, very funky print. Zebra print. Initially I was going to get a skirt, but I decided to go for this because I just felt like it was just that little bit more cuter. Like the skirt is cute as well, don't get me wrong, but you know when you've got to do it do, this was the do. So yeah, got this in a size S. It says 25 euros on here, which obviously is not the right price, so again, asterisk, do your job. Yeah, this dress, summer dress. I'll definitely style this with the white bag that I had from my first, was it my first Zara haul? No, my last one. And just, yeah, a cute pair of sunnies, just cute vibes. Maybe this could go, but then I'm thinking is maybe the print and this is a bit too much of a clash. So I'll try that on and see. Sometimes you have ideas in your head, but they don't always look good until you try them on. I had an outfit faux pas today where I actually had to just laugh at it and be like, oh no, honey. Just never ever tell anyone, oh well, I've told you. Oh, I love this even more on. It's just such a like, this dress is, oh my gosh. This could be a really cute, sorry Daisy's just in the back. This could be a really cute date night or girls night outfit. Where you want to be doing enough but not too much. Yeah, I love the fit. It fits so well and it's so, so soft. Yes. Kind of like up to you whether you wanted to go. This is probably like more a brunch bag, and this is probably more, you know, date night or girls night bag. Cute strappy barely there heels or even mules. And yeah, but not least, I got this shift square neck dress, tiger zebra. It's in a size S. It says £15. Again, I think that's wrong. Yeah, the material is so nice, and I love like how this doesn't look tacky. It looks really like, you know, grown and a bit classy at the same time. This one, it's not a favourite compared to the other one, but I do like it. A bit more fitted here, it kind of makes me look a bit straight. But I guess like when it's pulled down it's a bit better. What I like about this is I've always wanted to wear like dresses like this, but I don't like wearing them without a bra. But with this, you can't actually see that I've got a bra, so it kind of gains points for that. Yeah, that is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the pieces. If you have, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you soon with another video like this because I can't be stopped. So yeah, alright then, bye guys.